How to use gesture navigation bar in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on system navigation. Now here you can select your system button layout and here you can use gestures. Now click on gestures and then click on it. Now here you can use your gestures. If you do, then it will go back, and if you want to go back to your home screen, then simply swipe up, it will go back to your home screen. So this is the way to use gestures navigation bar in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.